So the next problem, we're gonna find the maximum compression instead of the elongation. And the given values are VA equals 10 meters per second and K equals 1 Newton per meter. Also, the mass is 1 kilogram. So what we're gonna do is add the potential energy plus the kinetic energy plus the elastic energy, all regarding on point A, which is right here. And on point B, we do the same thing, and we equal them to one another. Now we also know that MGHA is going to be 0 since there is no height on point A. And there's also no elasticity in point A. Now for 1/2 mvb squared is going to be 0 because there's no kinetic energy. So we have 0, 0, and 0. Therefore we just plug in the values and we're going to solve for HB. Therefore we end up with 50 being equal to 1 times 10 times HB plus 1/2 times HB squared. So we're going to multiply 2 on everything so we can make it easier. It's going to be 100 equals 20 HB plus HB squared. We just put 100 to the other side, negative, and now we have a quadratic formula. Now we're going to have HB equals negative 20 plus or minus square root of 20 squared plus 4 times 1 times negative 100 all over 2 times 1. Now, ever since the quadratic formula is going to give it two options, we're just going to use the positive version because we're finding the height, in this case right here, HB. Therefore, that's going to give us 4.14 meters, which is the final answer.